Hello and welcome to the shed, or should I say the West Australian Jarrah forest, because that's where I am here. Most of these trees out here are Jarrah trees. You've seen me work with Jarrah a number of times. So why am I out here and why do I have a fire going next to me? Well, today we're going to be making a traditional paste wax / polish. So let's jump in here and I'll show you exactly what's in it. This is a 3-part mixture, so we have boiled linseed oil, whether that's store-bought or stuff that you boiled yourself. I'm using the one I've boiled myself. Link down below if you want to find that video. Then we have natural beeswax. This is just raw, natural. It's been cleaned and sort of processed into little pellets. And then we have raw gum turpentine. Now, you want it to be the raw gum turpentine and not mineral turpentine, because the gum turpentine is what we need for this. I'm going to be using one of these little bowl jars that actually has some little increments on it. You can do it by eye if you want, but the idea is per volume. So we're going to have 100 mils of each of these. Obviously we're going to melt the beeswax first, so let's jump over here and we'll start that. So, as you can see, this is now cooled down. It's solidified into what looks like a paste wax, which it is, and it is now ready to apply. You use this one particularly sparingly. You don't need a lot of it because the gum turpentine in there acts as a penetrating agent, and so it sucks it into the timber a little better, but you can also use it over the top of shellacs and all that sort of thing, just like a normal paste wax. So if you liked this video, please do like and subscribe down below. While you're down there, do sound off in the comments if you've made something like this or heard of this particular formula, or whether you use some other ratio or mixture. Do leave that down below because I'm eager to know. And if you'd like to see another great video such as the one you've seen here today, do check out the video up here where I just make the traditional paste wax. Bye for now.